everyone, welcome to this channel. So reason why you clicked on this particular video is to see the pros and cons of this Joyor scooter. So here it goes. The pro is that it has a kickstand. Kickstand is pretty sturdy. I can place it down and it holds itself up. So another pro is that it has a light. So we're going to zoom in on this mode button right here. And if I hold this mode button down for 3 seconds, then the light comes on. So right now, we're going to show you. Holding mode down for 3 seconds, and the light is on. Alright, so next is the bell. If you're riding down the street and somebody doesn't see you coming, you can always click this bell that alerts them, so it's a safety feature. So one of the best features is that this comes with the remote. The Joyor scooter comes with the remote. So it has an unlock, a lock, and an alarm as well. So we're going to show you how that works. So first we're going to lock it, and we're going to try to move it now. It actually locks it in place, so this is super awesome. The person will have to physically pick it up because I can't move it any further. So in addition to the alarm, it also has the chirping noise. I just press the lock button and it chirps double chirp to let you know that it's in unlock mode. Alright, so right now we're going to show you how it folds. So that's how it folds down. And this is how you lock it back in place. You hold it with your foot and you probably heard that click. So next we're going to show you the handlebar. I'm going to zoom in a little closer on the handlebar. The handlebars actually come down, so you press it out and under, and the handlebars come back up. Another pro is the brakes. So if you're riding and you press the brakes, as you can see, if you come around a little bit, this light comes on. So it's flashing to let people know that you are not moving any further. Alright, so another pro, and I meant to mention this, is that it holds a charge very, very long. I have had this scooter uncharged for about 1 month, and I ride it about 15 blocks a day, and it still hasn't lost its charge. It's excellent, excellent on the charge. Alright, so I charge it about once a month. So now, for what you have been waiting for, the only con that this scooter has is the seat, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So this particular bolt right here did not come with it. We brought it separately, put it on, and the seat actually still falls down. So the reason why I didn't flip the seat and show you how it flips down is because it definitely is very, very difficult to stay up. So this particular seat, as many times as I unbolt it and I put it up, eventually the seat goes down. So I'm about 165 and the seat continuously goes down. It's not the weight, it's the way that the scooter seat was actually made. I did actually contact Joyor and they sent me some videos, but I tried everything and the seat still goes down. So other than that, that's the only con for the scooter. Everything else I love about it. If you're looking for one with the seat, be mindful that the seat will go down. I wish somebody would have told me that, but I'm here to tell you this now. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Please click the other links to go back. I have an unboxing video. I have a video with me riding, and thank you for watching this video. We'll see you again.